My name is Maxine.
Nice to meet you. Can you walk me through your outfit today? You look so pretty.
Thank you. So this is a Vivienne Westwood shirt.
Oh my god!
I think it's Anglomania, if I'm correct. The skirt is from Uniqlo. These are just vintage Doc Martens. And then I got the Telfar bag.
And can I get a shot of your accessories too? Where are the bracelets from?
These are from eBay. And this I got from a friend.
Love it. And your necklace?
This is also a gift.
It all goes so well together.
Thank you so much.
What's your fashion inspiration?
Ooh. Honestly, Vivienne Westwood is huge. I really like 70s, 90s, and lots of runway. Vintage runways.
Yes, me too. Do you have a dream fashion item that you've had your eyes on for a long time that you haven't been able to get just yet?
Oh my god, it's so expensive. I want the Simone Rocha like pearl purse. I want that one really bad.
Cute. And if you were a fashion designer, who would you love to collab with first?
Ooh. I honestly like probably Vivienne Westwood or Simone Rocha, I have to be honest.
Yes, thank you so much again for your time.
Of course.
The rest of your day looks so good.
Thank you.
Hello, what are your names?
I'm Tiffany.
I'm Anastasia.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Can you walk me through your outfits today?
Yes, you first.
So my shoes are La Moda.
Yes, let me get the detail on the
Oh,
back
yeah.
because I noticed that.
This one got the
And then even-
buckle.
I was going to say I didn't even see the sizing
Yes.
until now. So cute.
This is actually hers. It's from Cider. The belt is my mom's. I know, I've been wanting to style this belt for so
I'm in love
long.
with this belt.
I love it. I couldn't figure out how to style it, but I did. And this shirt is actually Hollister. And this was hers too, it's Windsor.
And your purse.
Oh, I just thrifted this. It was hot in Hollywood. And then I thrifted these two for $1.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
Okay. My whole outfit, entire outfit except the sunglasses are my mom's. The dress is hers from when she was like my age. The shoes are hers. I am obsessed. I actually never wear brown. I always wear black. So this is like my summer attire now. The bag is also my mom's. The sunglasses are Celine. I did buy them. I invested too much in these.
Oh my god.
But yeah, and the dog is a gift.
She looked perfectly.
She's
at the camera.
perfect. She's ready for her day. We're popping her cherry at Washington Square Park today. We love
Yeah, our
it.
mom is pretty iconic with the style.
She is.
I was gonna say she handed you
She
guys
had
some
she
amazing
had the
pieces.
iconic style of the 2000s, and we love it.
Yeah.
And what is your fashion inspiration?
Oh, what is yours?
Whatever I feel, whatever comes together. I'll spend like hours in my room like trying things on, and then whatever I like I just wear.
It's kind of the same for me. I honestly like have no idea what my style is yet, but the more I live here, the more I evolve. I think I'm like turning into more of like a woman with my style, kind of more like woman-esque. But before I was like Lower East Side, like grungy girl. But you know, times change. So
And
yeah.
do either of you have a fashion item you've had your eyes on for a long time you haven't been able to get your hands on yet?
Oh, I would definitely say I really want latex pants. And Meow just came out with these low-rise latex pants. And I have the corset
In black?
in black.
Yeah.
And I really want to get the pants, but $500 is a lot. I'm like not ready for that investment yet.
I want new boots. This is my only knee highs I got, so yeah.
Would you do like a nice platform?
Yeah,
Oh,
like
yeah.
this, but like more slim and like the same platform, yeah. for
In
sure.
black?
In black.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We love an all black attire. This is like, I'm never out like this, but today we are.
Yeah.
And if you were a fashion designer, who would you love to collab with first?
I really have been liking actually like Diesel.
Yes, me too.
Yeah, they've kind of evolved into something very beautiful. But I also love couture. Like I do love like the Dior couture. But like I would want to live in the 2000s and experience fashion then.
I don't even know. I don't know. I don't
You
know.
kind of like shop as you go, I feel like.
Yeah.
You don't really like hard like brand that much, I guess.
Yeah, she knows way more about like designers than I do.
And I love that you guys both have like sustainable pieces on today.
Yes.
And I love this like heirloom standard down.
Yes.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Have a good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Victoria.
Nice to meet you. I love your outfit today.
Thank you. I try.
Can you walk me through your outfit?
Alright, so this is a hand-me-down from my cousin. This is also a hand-me-down, also from the same
And they're the same color. That's crazy.
Yes.
Love
Shout
that.
out Cadence. Thank you so much. These socks, I think I got these as a Christmas gift a couple years ago.
And the bag?
Okay, the bag is from my ex. Yeah, shout out Aiden. You know what you did.
Oh my god, plot
He's
twist.
amazing. He's amazing. It's from the Philippines. It's from, I think it's from the Boracay. This anklet, I don't know if this counts. This is from my friend's crystal shop. Shout out Rocky's Crystals, Montclair, New Jersey. Yeah, the real ones. What else?
The shoes.
The shoes. These are from Free People. I haven't bought my own clothes in a while. I love to thrift. My grandma's.
An heirloom.
And what chain is this? This is my grandma's also.
Oh my gosh, how precious.
All the jewelry is thrifted, or my mom's.
Ooh, so pretty.
Thank you.
And if you're a fashion designer, who would you love to collab with first?
Telfar.
Yes, that's such a good one.
Yes, I love Telfar.
I really want that Telfar, like it's like a square bag, but it's like book bag form. I want the book bag form.
He knows where I stay at, Mr. Clemens.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
And what would you say your fashion inspiration is?
Oh gosh, I don't know. Whatever. I don't know what. I just like what I like. I think
I
I like
feel that.
colorful stuff. But yeah, I'm trying to put myself out there.
Would you say you have a fashion item you've had your eyes on for a long time, you haven't been able to get your hands on just yet?
Yes, but it's what's it called? Those Birkenstocks with the slide-on ones. They look kind of like clogs. I'm just saving up for them.
What color do you want them in?
The purple ones.
Oh my god, yes, purple's my favorite color. We could like totally relate. Thank you so much for your time. Hi, beautiful, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Karina.
Nice to meet you. Can you walk me through your outfit today?
Of course. So this is thrifted from L Train. It's
And look at the details on the inside.
It's just this cute little like jacket.
It looks warm too.
And then this I got a long time ago. I think this is actually from Erie when I was younger. And then this is a corset that I thrifted from L Train also. And this I actually got in a Savers in Long Island.
Love
So I
that.
got this. These actually were my mother's.
Oh my
that I kind of got
god,
together.
yes. Probably from like the 90s or something.
Yeah, she kept a lot of her old clothes and she kind of gave it to me. She gave me a lot of her 90s clothes. Like that's
That's
something
such a blessing, and you could fit them, same shoe
Yeah.
size. What a blessing.
But yeah, and then this is from Colombia because that's where my family's from.
Oh, beautiful.
Thank you. And then this is also from Colombia. These cute little earrings here.
And what's your fashion inspiration?
I love a good 90s inspiration. I love the 90s. I love anything like kind of whimsigoth together. I just think it's really cute. Like anything with corsets and anything flowy, just like long skirts.
Yes.
And recently, a lot of just like going back to my roots and like looking at Colombian style, especially during the 90s. So yeah, a lot of 90s.
And would you say you have a dream fashion item you haven't been able to get your hands on just yet?
Honestly, anything worn by Uchis.
I love her. I met her twice. I love her so
Her
much.
entire wardrobe, if I could just like, you know, like.
Yeah, let me borrow that, girl.
I'm like obsessed with her completely. But yeah.
And if you were a fashion designer, who would you love to collab with?
I mean, she passed away, but definitely Vivian Westwood.
Yes, an
She unfortunately
icon.
passed away, but if I could
Rest in
meet her
peace.
somehow, then I would love to. I would love to just like work under her or just meet her, like be her friend and like.
Yes.
Because she was just so cool. She brought so much life and like politics. Because I'm an activist myself into the fashion world, so like that's amazing.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
What's your name?
I'm Angel Davila. I'm from Jersey City.
Nice to meet you. Can you walk me through your outfit today?
Alright, so I had this leather jacket that I put together. I really like that masculine and femininity part of like my style. So I had like the big ass loonie on the bottom. this huge masculine belt right there. Very, very industrial. But I love my girly shit, so I love silver, mixed metals, right? And obviously, I love the jackets pulled together, right? Delicious.
And what would you say your fashion inspiration is?
I don't have one. I don't know. I love drag queens.
Okay, yeah.
Raja Gemini has been one of my idols too. She's a South Asian drag queen, but also a designer, gallery couture.
And do you have a dream fashion item that you've had your eyes on for a long time that you haven't been able to get?
Belts.
Okay,
oh my
yes.
God,
In what color? Every color?
Black, maybe like a nice freaking silver, as long as it's nice and rhinestone.
Yes.
Oh my God. And what was that brand with the huge D on it? You remember?
Oh, her huge G?
D.
Dior?
No, not Dior. It's okay, it's fine. But one of those bags.
Diesel?
Diesel.
I'm wearing Diesel.
You're wearing Diesel? No wonder it's fucking Diesel. I love Diesel. A nice cute Diesel bag with this. Delicious.
Yes. And if you were a fashion designer, who would you love to collab with first?
Doja Cat.
Yes.
She's so down for anything.
She's so diverse. I was just gonna
She's
say.
so, like, what's good about Doja Cat is that she is willing to work with the artist, right? It's not about Doja, it's about what the artist is reflecting from the model itself. And she understands that, and that's why her outfits are impeccable.
Yes. Thank you so much for your time. Look at the details. This is unreleased work. Hello, what is your name?
May.
Nice to meet you.
Made you look June 3rd, you heard?
Oh, so it's like a kind of like a promotion of like your up and coming fashion line release.
I am having a whole production being released on June 3rd. And I want you guys to all tune in. My Instagram is MEIJENB. Meijenb.
Yes. And what's your fashion inspiration?
My intuition
I love
and
that.
music is infused healing sounds and vibrations. And the song that I created with these pieces, it's a mantra. It's really special to me, and my art is a reflection of my spiritual awakening and enlightenment, and just taking in that power and growth, self-growth.
Do you remember the very first thing you ever designed?
Yes. The first piece was my spiritual awakening piece, and I can't wait to release that. It really is all the 7 chakras that I embody. I also made a song while I was doing this piece, and there's just so much light and life infused in these pieces.
Oh, I love that. Very exciting. So would you say that you have a dream fashion item that you've had your eyes on for a long time that you haven't been able to get your hands on just yet?
I would say that I've been using sustainable pieces, so I haven't really been looking at other collections that I may need because I'm focused on repurposing clothes.
That's such a beautiful answer.
And all the pieces that I do are sustainable, so I do want to highlight that. Even though some of the brands, they do have brand names, but they all are repurposed. Like these are pieces that people have worn for years. There's some distress in them. There's life in them.
I love that. There's a story with it.
There's a story, exactly.
And is there a fashion brand that you would like to collab with in the future?
At the moment, there is this person, I think his name is Smiley Face something, but he also does designs on t-shirts, and they're all one-of-ones, just like my pieces. And I was just introduced to his page 2 weeks ago, but I really do want to do a crazy collab with that person. I feel like we could go off, especially with my dimensional puffy paint, and I think he uses markers and Sharpies.
So it would be like a mix of different mediums. I love it. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Hello again. Tell them your name.
It's Blunted, aka Santiago Serrano. Nice to meet you again.
And tell me about your outfit today.
Alright, right now I'm wearing maybe a $5 shirt, thrifted. Okay, I got the fresh Atomo.
Yes, let's
And you
get
gotta
the
have the
details.
You gotta have the Nikes. You know the story of the knight in shiny armor? It's only shiny because it never been used. It's a dirty Nikes. Just something.
And what's the designer's Instagram for this one again?
The designer is Pedro Baez 89. That's Pedro Baez 89.
Thank you so much.
Of course. Nice to see you again. All right.
This is absolutely amazing.
Yo, you made these?
Yeah.
Look at how the string hangs out of this. Look at the pearl. They're like painted.
Take a photo, yeah.
This one, I love the color scheme. This one, she says she was playing around with the colors.
English. Yeah.
Absolutely amazing.
Yeah, it's handmade.
You take a gun and you like draw it
Yeah,
a different
that's
color,
gun.
and then you shade it down, right?
And she even did the lining on the back of the rug.
Making rugs.